Hi, I'm Grateful Ted. Thanks for being here because I truly appreciate the time that you invest in watching these videos. And a few days ago, I took us to the Portland Adult Soapbox Derby. And I'd been there before, and the carts tended to come down, I don't know, about every 3 or 4 minutes at the most. But this year, there was 15 or 20 minutes going through them, and that was too long for me. But I did get multiple carts coming down, and they're very interesting, and I believe I got good shots. You can determine if those are good shots. Also, if you want to know what's going on behind the scenes, I would recommend that you find the video of this year's Soapbox Derby created by Klearski the Kreeper, and I'll leave a link to that down below. He did a great job of showing what goes on behind the scenes. And I wanted to show you also a little bit around Mount Tabor where they had the contest, because it's really pretty. So come on, let's go get carted. I've come over the Cascades today, and we're at something I've been to once before. We'll see if it's as fun today as it was before. We're at the Portland Adult Soapbox Derby. Huh? Yeah. Crazy. Let's see how people set up their soapbox. This is a fairly big event in Portland. We're going up Mount Tabor. I've got to hike quite a ways up. So I'm going to put you in my pocket and try to make it. You can see artists painting the reservoir at the bottom of Mount Tabor. And to get to where it's all happening, got to climb the steps way up there. Here we go. And that's what the stairs look like from the top. I did make it. Very out of breath. And this is what you see when you get to the top of the stairs. This is the finish line. And we're gonna go up there a ways. From here at the finish line, you do have a nice view of Portland. So here, right at the finish line, is another reservoir on Mount Tabor. And you can see up there, there are places to eat, get something to drink. So they're all ready for everybody. Portland gets behind its events, as you can see. So this area near the vendors appears to be a very popular spot. You can get candy. You can get Beer? If you're a morning beer person, we recently discovered that Ted Lasso is not a morning beer person. You can freeze your brain.
Good morning.
You can putt.
I only tried skateboarding once and it fell off my own. But I don't think it's every time.
There's all kinds of things to do while you're watching or waiting. And this is Portland, so this is a vegan Mexican Pandera, and of course in Portland it would have the longest line. I think we're getting ready, and I think I'm going to go back down near towards the finish line to see who actually makes it. Okay, I have found my space, and right up there is the dangerous curve. And then right down there is the finish line. So we'll see if this is a good place or not. If you think I should have been up higher in a straighter stretch, comment down below.
Lastly, I am here to make sure that you all have fun. So I'm going to tell a lot of bad jokes. They're going to be really terrible. And if they're bad, please boo me. I like public shaming. Shame me as much as possible. Again, my name is Alexander. Hi, everyone.
So I just talked to a gentleman whose name is Alexander, and he informed me that there are multiple heats, and it's now just after 10 o'clock, and the last heat is at 2, and I don't know if I'm going to make it for the whole thing, but I want you to see most of the carts because they're really worth it. A lot of art goes into it. A lot of weird thoughts go into them. So hang on, we're getting ready. It's supposed to start at 10, but we're about a quarter after. Shouldn't be too much longer till the first cart comes down. Okay, I hear a lot of yelling up the mountain. Let's see what's about to happen here. I think we've got some coming down if they can make that curve. And here comes the first one. That was a Nike. That was won by the Hippie Death Committee. Not sure I support them. Some of them are faster, some of them are slower. And then there are those that aren't in the race. If you made it this far, give yourself a pat on the back because you deserve it. What did you think of the Adult Soapbox Derby? Comment down below and let me know what you thought. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. You know, I could always use subscribers, so you might consider subscribing. And next week, I don't know what we've got, so we'll see you next time.